Why are you looking at the bowl like it owes you money?
Because the corn is gone.
You ate it.
No, I didn't. I'm on a diet.
Your diet lasted 6 minutes.
Someone stole our corn.
Who would steal corn from two loud, unemployed roosters?
What if it's the invisible chicken?
The what?
I heard about it. It sneaks in, eats your food, and leaves before you even say cluck.
So you're saying it could be here right now?
Protect me, I'm delicious!
That was corn flavored.
It's evolving.
Really? So you really eat it?